Your name, sir?
Sibusiso.
I met Mr. Sibusiso now, and he also celebrating Heritage Day in South Africa today. The whole country is celebrating, and I just want to show you his beautiful clothes that he's wearing. Yeah, welcome to the vlog, Mr. Sibusiso. How are you?
Yes, I'm good, sir. I'm good.
And what can you say about your heritage?
The heritage, this culture of heritage is a very, very beautiful culture. It reminds us where we're coming from. It's telling us, even our grandchildren, children, that it's our culture. We must be proud of it. Although there's everything that's upside down, but thanks, because our culture is still standing. We want to show them that everywhere you go, the culture will never change. Even the weather is just a little bit raining, but we are proud of that. We are happy with that. That shows that the God is happy about it. So let's keep our culture with pride.
Thank you.
Thank you.